Hey, what's up, refinance? This is urgent video for refinance because I tell you, my friends, today going up in upcoming days or they fails down because refinance. A lot of holders ask me to please tell us we or sell hold so everything in this video, my friend. I also share my opinion to this is selling time, holding time, and what's the target of refinance, and what's the prediction, my friends. Today going up in upcoming days or they fails down. Everything in this video is going to be very special for you, my friend, if you are a holder of refinance. So let's get started, my friend. The refinance, but first of all, if you can see here the market or result, absolutely, my friend, very badly falls down. Bitcoin is one of the my friends fastest cryptocurrency and also the top, and also minus 7.7% they falls down, my friend. All cryptocurrency only you can see here the Tether as one of unique to they go up. Otherwise, all cryptocurrency, my friend, very badly falls down. Dogecoin also viral coin you can see here also minus 24.4% very falls down, my friend. So come to the point, my friend. Refinance, absolutely, what's going on in refinance, my friend. Please, I get started this video, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please click out the red button and press bell icon for videos notification. Keep touch with us, I guide you every time free. If you have any question, please tell us, okay, my friend. This time, if you can see here, my friend, they first of all, I want to draw a chart. Therefore, the chart is very important, please, my friend. This time you can see here they completely, you can see here gone straight, and after a take of again jump, my friend. This time after a fails down again, my friend. Remember, to in a crypto market, every coin after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. Remember, this is the circulation of every cryptocurrency. So Reef coin also you can see here this time take a jump and fails down again. You can see here. So after a jump they fails down. You can see here this circulation, my friend, and absolutely after a fails they take a very high jump. Exactly, my friend. So this time you can see here the jump time. I hope in upcoming days they're going up like a rocket, my friend. So please don't sell it. This is my opinion, my friend. If you can see here the refinance, this time the latest change occur in the last 7 days minus 22.6% they're gone up. But this time you can see here the price is 0.048 USD dollar at the CEO of refinance targeting now 0.1 US dollar. I hope they can hit 0.1 US dollar, but let's see, my friend. I hope in upcoming days they go up, but let's see in the last 1 hour do they go up or fails down. Friends, I think they're going up, absolutely. I think oh my goodness, yes, but this is very small change occur, my friends. But I hope after this fails they're going up like a rocket, my friend. You can see this is the circulation everywhere. This is the circulation, my friend. So I hope in upcoming days they're going up. Please wait, please don't sell it, hold it and wait for the end of this month. What's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. Thanks for watching refinance. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for keep watching ABS Tech video, okay. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.